My name is Alex Villafranca. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Arbeit Software. We develop contact solutions for call centers and collection agencies in the Buffalo area and across the nation. We've been looking for a building for probably, 3-4 years. We made numerous offers on different buildings, and they all fell through. And yeah, we found this one. We have always wanted this kind of a warehouse building, an industrial, like open, modern type space. Found it. It was a perfect fit. Our architect actually recommended Montante to us. We were using Adam Sokol for the architecture design in here. He did the design. When we came to bid for contractors, he recommended Montante because he was using them in another job. And yeah, they were from the get-go, we kind of knew that they were the best. They were way more prepared than everybody else. When we did the initial bids against other contractors, they kind of knew what we wanted. I felt like they kind of understood we had a budget to meet. We needed to meet it. They worked with us on value engineering some of the things down that our scope originally was a little bit extravagant. So we cut down on that. They helped with that. They worked with us. They took us to their office. They came out to the site with us, showed us things, made sure that we were kind of on the same page with everything throughout the entire project. Bill, since they started doing the construction here, met me every week, walked through it every week, every Monday in the morning, made sure that any issues that we saw come up were addressed right away. So we felt like we were in the loop throughout the whole process.
Arbeit has been great to work with. It is a very different space. As you can see in all of the photos, and we are working with materials that we never imagined we would be working with. Alex here with Arbeit was wonderful to work with, and understanding of our learning curve is probably the best way to put it, of working with these materials and making the space work. Typically we do a lot of commercial offices, and we do get into some different type spaces, but this one was very different, again, with the materials that we were using, the colors, as you can see in all of the photos. A lot of the light fixtures were different, all the way down to the toilet fixtures were special order in a different style and types that we were all used to working with. The interesting part about small projects is there's just as many steps as there are on a big project. There's just less zeros behind it all. So you still have to go through the same everything that you do on the big projects. Typically with projects of this size, you have a smaller client and a smaller company who is watching the pennies and pounds a lot closer than a large corporation might. So it presents its challenges, and Alex and the team here at Arbeit was great to work with. We were working through the value engineering process, which was quite extensive. But we made it through, and in the end we have a nice product here, and I would like to think a very happy client.